start. Madam, the sugar industry, which entirely depends upon sugarcane for its economic working and prosperity, is facing crisis after crisis, particularly in North India due to the erratic supply of cane because of non development. The responsibility for the development of sugarcane entirely rests with the government because the industry is not left with any money at all to spend for the development of cane. 50% of the cost of sugar, as everybody knows, is the cost of raw materials, that is sugarcane. 35% goes to the government in taxes, levying hardly 15% with the industry to pay for labor cost of manufacture, chemicals, depreciation, interest, dividend, development, and so on. Obviously, therefore, the responsibility of the government in this matter is very great. The sugar industry of the north, as I have stated, has been suffering from crisis after crisis, and it is a pity that the state of UP and Bihar, which were producing about 19 lakhs tons of sugar, recently have come down to a production of 12 lakh tons this year. Is this the way the sugar industry is supposed to be developing in the country? Everybody knows that the cost of production is sugar in the south is about rupees 3 per quintal, lower than the cost of production in the north. Yet when the control has been brought, we find that the prices fixed for Maharashtra and southern region are higher than the prices fixed for UP, Bihar and Punjab. It is stated that the prices were fixed on the basis of the prevailing prices between January and March this year, but it is conveniently forgotten that the sugar that was sold in the market during January to March this year was sugar produced during 1982. It was not the production of 1982-83, which admittedly was produced at a much higher cost due to lower recoveries and shorter season. It is obvious that when a factory works for only 1/3 of its capacity, it is not possible to produce sugar economically. This problem, madam, is a problem which requires very deep thinking, drastic overhauling of policy and long-range planning. The only way by which this problem can be solved is by concentrating on the development of yield per acre of sugarcane.